I gotta stand there now.
Taste all the stuff I
Hey, what's up guys? This is Dragon Izumi again from DragonPhysique.com, Universe 7 and Black Stone Labs, here to teach you the Valdez. Alright guys, so I'm teaching you the Valdez, or what some people might call the Macaco. In Korea this move is called the rainbow, I believe. So to start the move, you're going to start in a squatted position, sort of like you were doing a 6-step or a kip-up that we've done in a previous video. For me, I'm a right-handed b-boy, so I'm going to do everything on my right hand. If you're left-handed, just mirror the image. So you're going to take your right hand and sort of put it right where your right, about a foot away from your right foot, behind you. If you're too close, it's going to be hard. If you're too far away, it's going to be hard. So right about 12 inches away from your right ankle. So you're going to swing back and put it down. When you do this, you're going to jump up a little bit. Hop on your toes and get some air. That's step one. So here. Step two is to try to get that air a little bit higher. See how I got that arch? Now, when you hop, you want to push the ground with your arm and also cause an arch by pushing your chest up. You don't want to be concave in. You want to have an arch so when you hop, you can get more air. Now, that first swing before you put your hand down is sort of important too, just to get that momentum going. So swing and then hop. Because you're on one arm, you're going to tend to shift to whichever side you're using. So if you're right-handed, you're going to shift to your right side, which is fine. The first move is, rather than going straight back, imagine sort of doing like a really extensive cart move. So you're going to do a sideways movement. Just to get used to it, you can shift all the way to the right for now, and eventually you can shift over to the center. So step three, once you get more air, we're gonna use your left hand, or for your left hand, use your right hand. You're gonna, for me, I like to use 2 fingers and sort of look at my nails. What I'm gonna do, once I put my hand down, I'm going to swing my left hand up and keep looking at my fingernails. So, boom. Here. In the air, it'll be here. Ultimately, we obviously want to practice that first a few times, but ultimately, you want to chase your fingernails all the way until you flip over. So watch. So that will sort of help you get over the fear of flipping over. Of course, this is after you've gotten used to the first 3 steps and got enough air. So keep practicing with following your fingernails. At first you might end up like this. You might get a lot of air, you might not get enough to flip over. That's fine. Eventually you'll get enough air, you'll learn to use your legs more and hop. Of course, remember to push with your right hand. As I mentioned earlier, if you're right-handed, you might shift to the right a little bit, even when you're following your fingers. So you might do this. Well, that's fine too. That's just to get yourself to understand how to flip over. So keep practicing that, and eventually you'll get the Macaco or Valdez, no problem. So that's the Valdez. If you like this video, once again, like and subscribe. Thanks always for watching. Peace out. That was a good one. That was a good one take. Yes, it was.